Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Notes app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now let's click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search Notes app. You will see. So, Notes, my Notes app is. So search Notes app. You will see Samsung Notes is there. So click on Samsung Notes. So scroll down and click on storage and click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Samsung Notes app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.